Hello, this is Greg. Today I have a XC6013L. I'm going to make this really quick. I purchased it from Temu right here. I got this one for $6.69 on sale, but they're normally around $10, including shipping. So, this video is specific to how-to's 0. So put it to 200 PF, and then you want to turn this 0 knob, and it's very, very touchy. But let me just take it way up. And turn it up, there's 12, go all the way down to minus, and then let's see if we can find and there'll be a minus, so you'll know which way to turn. And then I'm just kind of barely touching it. Boom, got it. And that's zeroed. And then how it works is, here's a capacitor, just super quick. I don't want to get off track of the video. Well, first of all, let's take this, and this is a 220 UF. And I'm not sure why that keeps changing, but we'll go with it. So we'll go up here on our little dial to 200 UF, right there. And then we'll hook up our negative and our, what? Oh, I went to, it's a 220. Okay. So 2000 is what I needed. I needed to set it to 2000 for a 221. And it says 228 on the, oops, they're touching. It says 228. And that's that. It works perfectly. Nice and short. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.